Yan, samahan niyo na ako magsagot kasi na-upload ko na yung isa. So, let's answer it. Guys, sagutan niyo to. 640 divided by 80. Tagal lang sakot. Sa comment section na lang. Tapos, 200 divided by 20. Sa comment section. Pag may nagtanong ako, sa comment section na lang ilagay. Okay? Okay. So, 1,500 divided by 30 equals, lahat yan may equals. So, 640 divided by 20, 270 divided by 30. Bye-bye, guys!